Any questions so far on the move? Now, let's talk about when this guy's trying to hit you. Okay, he's mounted on top of you, and he's going to start laying some strikes. Robert, please. Diego, you can get close. You can get the details. So he's sitting back, man. He's going to start hitting you. Now, yes, I'm going to block my face, but guess what? You may be able to block 1 or 2 strikes, but those punches are going to end. And you know, it may only take one to knock you out. So we can't stay here and try to figure out what we're going to do next. We have to have that plan of action in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit up and I'm going to pull him down. See what I did there? I just reached up and I grabbed him and I bridged and I pulled him down. Now, when I pull him down, it's important that I keep my hip off the ground, because now he can't sit back. Can you sit back? No. It's hard to sit back. Okay, and now from here, while his hands are there, I go to the top of his shoulders and I'm going to start moving myself up. Okay? When I move myself up, I'm doing all this quickly. Trap, trap, and now I just take him right over. Okay, one more time. So again, the guy's here. Boom. I move up. Trap the arm, block the leg, and now you just take him right over. Okay, thank you, Robert. It's important that you, the entire time, when you sit up and you pull him down, you keep your hip off the ground. Okay, now you grab the top of his shoulders. Look how I walk on my shoulders. My shoulder blades up so that I can get close enough to now bring a hand inside, secure his arm, block his leg, and I roll him over. If at any point during that process you lower your hip back down to the ground, you have to start all over again, because he's going to start hitting you. So you have to keep your hip off the ground. And trust me, when punches are flying, you're going to move. You're going to move pretty quick. Okay? But I want you to practice it slow. Okay? Practice to move very, very slowly until you start to get comfortable with it. Okay? A couple of times each with our partner. On to 1. Stop.